We all desire a life filled with more joy, success, abundance and wealth, and often struggle to achieve financial independence, but there is a way to achieve our goals with less struggle and more enjoyment, fulfillment and purpose. Numerology is a powerful tool that enables us to align ourselves with the harmony of the universe, and when studying the birth charts of great achievers, luminaries, and celebrities, we find that there is always a specific harmony present in their numbers. Their success is brought on from knowing where to go and embracing the opportunities when they arise, guided by synchronicities from the universe. When we align with the optimal vibrations in our chart, not only will abundance and opportunities start to unfold, but also the right people will start entering our life. In this video, we will uncover the 3 methods to awaken our hidden potential and attract success, wealth and abundance. Firstly, through understanding the vibrations we were born with. The vibrations of our life path numbers show us our karma and our latent potentials. While some birth numbers like 1, 19, 14, 21 and 23 are considered lucky and carry strong abundance codes, some of them can be more challenging, and there are also those which seem to carry a heavy karmic burden, but in truth all numbers carry positive and negative potential within them. That is why understanding and consciously working with the specific gifts and challenges of our personal vibrations can be life-changing. If we just give in to the lower aspects of our vibrations and let them drive us, we will experience a lot of these negative potentials mirroring in our life. The opposite is also true. We can work on harnessing their positive potentials and start experiencing more and more positive aspects of those vibrations, while at the same time remaining conscious of the challenges they bring and using them as accelerators of our personal growth. A good example of this principle of polarity within a vibration is the number 18-9. Someone born on the 18th or with the digit sum of all their birth numbers resulting in 18 can be strongly defined by the god of war characteristics of Mars and can be easy to anger, but if one consciously approaches the vibration they were born with, they can choose to channel their fiery energy constructively and harness the positive aspects of the number 9 vibration. The success or abundance codes of outstanding focus, inspiring leadership capabilities and drive. Secondly, through making the best out of your birth name numbers. Our names are vibrations, laid upon us by our parents, and many authors discuss the fact that parents choose their child's name according to their own vibration at the time. While one could say that our soul or the consequences of our past lives determine the resonance of the day of our birth, it is our parents who determine the vibrations of our birth name. These vibrations can prove to be a harmonious or a disharmonious influence in our life. They can bring forth the best of our birth date vibrations or work against them, enhancing our negative karma and make our relationships and our life experiences more challenging. For those who live in a country that permits a personal name change, it is possible to work with both of the first 2 ways of getting the best out of our potential, by consciously working with the numbers of our birth and adjusting our personal name to one that vibrates with numbers that are most compatible with our soul's desires and facilitate a life path of joy, success and abundance. A numerological name change is a thorough, in-depth process that should never be taken lightly. It brings about substantial transformations in our life and should only be done by a skilled numerologist. Thirdly, working with vibrations of wealth and abundance. The numbers that resonate strongly with the vibration of wealth, success and abundance are 1, 14, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23, 27, 28, 32, 33, 37, 41 and 54, with the number 28 being risky because it carries a high potential of court cases and lawsuits. We will cover the in-depth explanation and use of individual wealth and abundance codes in the following videos, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. Until next time, Godspeed, and many blessings your way.